Meaning of feeble-minded.
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 Feeble-minded. Feeble-minded is an outdated and offensive term that was historically used to describe individuals who have intellectual disabilities or cognitive impairments. This term perpetuated harmful stereotypes and discrimination against those with disabilities. The use of this term is now considered inappropriate and unacceptable. Instead, it is more appropriate and respectful to use language that values and recognizes the individuality and diversity of people with disabilities. It is important to promote inclusivity and equality for all individuals, regardless of their cognitive abilities.